Fashionaire Ari. Welcome to my channel, my fashion sewing haven. I just want to get back into creating again. I've been gone for a long time. I am a work from home mom now, so I do have 2 part-time jobs and it's been crazy hectic balancing everything, but I want to get back into sewing. My daughter turns 2 this Sunday, and today I'm filming this on a Wednesday, and I just thought of this idea to create a dress for her birthday and do like a mommy and me photo shoot. So disclaimer, I haven't ever sewn kids clothes before, but I think I should be okay. So this is also good for you out there who hasn't sewn before or know how to use a pattern or have made your own pattern. I'm actually going to utilize one of my daughter's dresses she already has. That she's a little bit small for this now, I mean bigger for this, but this is kind of the style I want to do, like a overlay, multiple layer skirt, and I'm gonna use the same top to go underneath the overlay that I want to design for her. And this size she actually fits better now. See, it's like a little bigger, so we're going to like go between the two when we're trying to cut out our fabric. I am actually using fabric that I have on hand already. This beautiful, this is organza. And if you've seen my bridal 2022 collection, this is from that. I have a jumpsuit that I made out of this, and it will be perfect for our mommy and me photos. So yeah, I have tons of this on hand, and then mine was layered with a champagne satin material, but I'm gonna layer hers with light baby pink. So this is gonna be super cute underneath. I hope that my vision comes to life, because this is my first time making a kid's dress and then doing this such last minute, you know. But yeah, I'm excited, I'm hopeful, I'm happy to get back into creating. So yeah, if you guys like sew alongs, the behind the scenes of fashion designing, creating home DIYs and things like that, please subscribe to my channel. There's going to be lots more of that on this channel. All right, thank you so much, you guys, and let's get into the sewing. So this is 10.5 inches, so we're gonna cut 11, so that way the waist can be sewn at 1/2 inch. Scissors, my pin cushion that I made. I haven't posted the video of this yet, but whenever I do, I will link it down below. But yeah, I made my pin cushion myself.
Shall we begin? Let's begin now. Let's begin now.
Sunday, my daughter's birthday, and I actually finished the dress. Let me see. Well, you guys are gonna see it on her anyway, but I'm just so happy with how this came out. This is my first attempt to even making kids clothes and then making something for my daughter, so I'm pretty excited with how it came out. There's like bows on here. It's a flowy skirt lining. Alright you guys, that's a wrap. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Make sure you give me a like and subscribe if you haven't already. I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure you tell a friend. And until next time you guys, bye!